In Excel, you may be wondering what is absolute reference or relative reference. I'll just correct the spelling here. Okay, let's see what is that. So I have a data here. Okay, I will put it name or I'll put it as employee ID. And in that employee ID, I have name and date of birth, DOB, and date of joining. Okay, so I'll put the data here as E-001, employee 001, 002, 003, like this. Okay, then I'll put the name here as Ganesh, Suresh, Pooja. And date of birth is I'll put 5 September 1998. This is 30 August 2020 or 2002. Here I'll put it the date of birth as 21 July 1975. Okay, so date of joining, you just put it as, just add this 20 years after this. 98 means it is 2000. Let me put it as 14 February 2008 and 2018. Okay, I'll put it at 2021. Okay, here it is. I'll put 27 August 2024, like this. Here I'll put it as 95. 8 December 1997, like this. Right, this data is available here now. Okay, I'll just make one format of this and then apply this border here. So I have a data here in another sheet. Okay, sheet number 3. I have employee ID. Okay, in this I have data E-003. So what is his name? How to bring it here? So he has been transferred to some other department. Okay, department is production. Department with effect from 1 Jan 2025, like this, let us say. What is the department he is having this? So I just want to know E003 means which employee here. What is the formula I have to apply here? Equal to VLOOKUP. And in the VLOOKUP, we have seen this. These are the function arguments here. Okay, lookup value is the function argument. What is the lookup value? Lookup value, you have to give only one cell reference. So E-003, this is what is the lookup value here. So this is C6. Either we can type E-003 within the double quote or click on this. You will get the value here as C6. Then after this, lookup underscore value, or you will see this, there is one comma. So the formula is guiding you. So press the comma and then the block letter, it was lookup underscore value was in block. Now, since you have given the input as C6 and then pressed comma, now computer is asking, okay, you get me the table array from where this lookup value, whatever is available in C6 to be looked at. The table array is available in sheet 1. I will select like this. Okay, this is the table array. So table array, when I select all this area here, I am selecting only the data values, not including the headers. Even if you select including the header, it doesn't matter. I'll just make it as a practice. We can also practice like this. Okay. So when I select here, what is happening here? You are seeing after the comma, sheet 1 exclamatory symbol, C6 full colon F8 is there. So what is this sheet 1? We have come to this. We have selected this. So that's why sheet 1 name is appearing and with the exclamatory symbol. That means up to exclamatory symbol, it is just referring the sheet. In that particular sheet, you go to C6 to F8. That is a table array. Okay, now are you able to see this table underscore array is still block? I have already given that why it is still in block letter. because we have not pressed after this array, no, comma is there. Press comma. Then now computer is asking, making this function argument, third function argument. I repeat, first function argument, lookup underscore value we have given, the value as C6, whatever is available in C6, take it. And table array we have selected it as sheet 1 that is the range is C6 to F8. And then when we press the comma, the computer is now asking what is the COL underscore index underscore NUM. That full form is column index number. Okay, now you just observe this table array. Our lookup value is somewhere here in the vertically it is seeing that. Okay, we are telling the computer my lookup value is available in this column and look that vertically. That's why it is called as VLOOKUP. VLOOKUP, vertically lookup. So we have entered E dash 003. It will just look up from the top to bottom. So it will look up E dash 003. Is it? No. Okay, next come down to next one. Is it E dash 003? No, it is not E dash 003. It is E dash 002. Next, again, it will go like this till it is finding where is E dash 003. And from that first column, okay, then it will just go to the column index number, whatever you are giving, and fetch the result. So this is column number 1 in the table array what we have selected. This is column number 2 where name is available. This is column number 3 where date of birth is available. And this is column number 4 where date of joining is there. So what we wanted is name, which is available in number 2, second column. And after that, press just false because you are able to see that when I press after this giving the column index number 2, we are seeing this comma. The comma is when I pressed now, you are able to see this range lookup which is available within the square bracket. It's not available freely. It is given in between the square bracket. That means it is optional. We need not give the value for that. But you just see the options are available here as true. Either give it as true or give it as false. What is true means you just refer the lookup value in this column by approximate match. That is true means approximate match. Okay. But if we give false, then find exact match. I want exact E first should be there. Dash second should be there. 0 third should be there. Another 0 fourth character should be there. Another the last one is 3. Okay, that is the fifth character. So find out my lookup value E dash 003 means all 5 characters should be checked approximate match or exact match. Exact match we have to find out. That's why we have to select this as false. So either you can type here false or double click on the false. Okay, single click, one more click. False has come. So you are given that. Now it is not closing, self-closing. We have to close it because we are in the syntax. You are seeing that after VLOOKUP, VLOOKUP, we have curve bracket, opening bracket, and that bracket has to be closed after the range lookup is given. The range lookup is given as false. So we have to close it and enter. So we are getting the value here in D6. In D6, we are getting the value here as Puja. Okay, if I just change this to E-002, what will happen? The name automatically will change to Suresh. So this is called VLOOKUP, which you have to learn. I will give it in more detail here. But now, what is our aim? Our aim is to see what is absolute reference, what is relative reference. Okay. Now I have data here. Okay, E-002 like this. What I want is I want the name in this particular place. Now in this yellow color area, or I just change it to pink color area. In the pink color area, I want that that VLOOKUP to be updated and then received. So what I do, shortcut form, I'll just copy this, come right click on this, select this D10, right click on this, and come here, paste the formula. Okay, formulas, we are having this, paste it. Now it says that not available. E-002 is not available, but we are seeing the E-002 is available here. Oh my God, why are you not bringing the Suresh? Okay, so we are telling the computer, why are you not bringing the Suresh here? So what we are telling here is the absolute reference and relative reference we are going to explain now. Okay, so you just see here the formula here. I will put the formula text here. That is a function, built-in function called text. So when I type no formula text, I want to type means equal to first press. After pressing the equal to, if I put F, then whatever fx fx, starting with the letter F will start here. F dot distribution is a built-in function. First built-in function starting with F. F dot dist dot rt, the second built-in function starting with F. Like this, many functions are there. What I wanted is formula text here. Okay. So this is the one which I wanted here. So I will just type it here. Formula, if I type it here, starting with formula, all the characters are selected. There are two functions here. Okay, built-in function. So in this formula text only, which I wanted here, I will explain what is this. Okay, the formula text, when I just double click on that, the open bracket is automatically opened. So now we have to give a reference. I just give here what is the formula entered in D6. Bring it in the text form. That's what we are telling. Okay, then close it. And now you are seeing this formula in the text form. What is the formula you entered here is, okay. So this C6 your lookup value. And this is your table array. Sheet 1 exclamation symbol C6 F8, which I already explained that. And this number 2 is your column index number. And this is your range lookup, whether it is true. True means approximate match, or false means exact match of this lookup value, whatever is available in C6. Okay. So whatever is available in C6. Now, same formula, I want to check in this place. What is available the formula in D10? So equal to formula text, open bracket, and click on this, come here. Now you just observe here, okay. So the lookup value is C10. Yes, lookup value is available here as C10. It is E-2. And the table array is sheet 1 to, in the sheet 1, C10 to F12. That is the table array. You just are able to see the difference between these two table arrays here. It is C6 to F8 here. We are referring C6 to F8, correct? But here, in this formula, what you are referring here? Table array. Same sheet 1 you are referring, fine. But C10 to F12. Why it is C10 to F12? Because we have copied the formula from here and the range C6 is becoming C7 when it is coming here. F8 has become F9 here. Then every cell we are just moving down, that will be added here. So we have moved it down by 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 rows below we have moved it. So accordingly, C6 has become C6 plus 4. So it is C10. F8 has become F8 plus 4. So it is F12 like that. So what it is happening here is, instead of referring this C6 to F8, now it is referring to C10 to F12 like this. So is it the place where our data is available? No. So it is available here in this place. So to make this range to be referred every time as a constant area, we need to give the value here by putting this column before columns, always refer column C. Then before 6th row, always refer 6th row. Then always refer F column, always refer 8th row. Okay. So now you just see here, are able to see that it's $C $6 full colon $F $8. So you can simply read it as C6 to F8, but it is in the absolute form. It was in relative reference form. Because of that only, relatively it moved that. Now when I copy this here and paste it here with the paste special, right click on this, now you are getting the value here. So I will change the value. Are you able to see this now? Here also you are able to get this $C $6 and $F $8 like this. Fine. So this is called absolute reference. Okay. And some more example also I would like to add here. I will put the video later on this. Okay. So thank you very much for watching this video. If you have not subscribed to my channel DPAB Hosur, please do subscribe and press bell icon button so that you will get a notification about all the video which I am posting there. And press like button if you like this particular video, and write some comment about this video also. Thank you very much, friends. Take care. Bye.